Hello everyone, welcome. Today, I'll show you how to make masala chai. First, take a pan. Add some water and place it on the stove. Now, add crushed ginger to the water. Next, add fennel seeds, also called saunf. After that, add cloves or long. Now, add cardamom, also known as elaichi. Add a small piece of cinnamon or dalchini. Next, add black pepper, also called kali mirch. Now, add black tea leaves. Give it a good stir, and let everything boil together. Add sugar as per your taste. Let it boil well with all the spices in the tea. Once the water is boiled enough, add milk and let it boil again. Finally, pour the hot tea into cups. Your masala chai is ready. Enjoy your tea.